The landscape is currently in a change of cycle. We're going from a cycle where growth was valued a lot, money was abundant, to a cycle where people are focusing more on economics and sustainability of the businesses. So there's still capital, but it's going to be a bit more challenging for companies to get funded. However, there are a change in the incentives. So there are much more incentives for businesses now to build profitability at the same time as they're scaling. If we speak about markets beyond the big four that everyone knows of, I would say I'm really excited about the DRC and about the Francophone Africa area in the west of Africa. DRC is a 100 million people market, which is witnessing tremendous growth in the financial and telecommunications sector today, following the improvements in the country's governments over the past few years. It's a massive market that's just waiting for more innovation and more investment. The Western Africa Franc area is very interesting if we think about the current macroeconomic context we're in. This is a region with 150 million people. That's about the same size as Nigeria in terms of economy, but has a currency that's pegged to the euro. So it's a lot of protection from the investor's perspective. And we're seeing a lot of very interesting startups coming from Senegal, coming from Côte d'Ivoire, and a few other markets. And this is a massive opportunity that's being largely underestimated by VCs that just focus on the big ones. In 2023, we will see two things. On the one side, there's going to be some loss, some damage with companies closing, maybe reducing the number of employees they have or merging with other companies. And this is part of the business cycle. This is how destruction brings new creation. And to speak about the creative, the flourishing side, there will be a lot of companies that will emerge unaffected by the situation because they have been built on strong fundamentals. These companies are going to become the role models for the coming years for the industry. It's been amazing. It's the first time I attend the Africa Tech Summit, and I wonder why I haven't been attending all these years. I've met so many people coming from not just Africa, Europe, and the US, who are all very passionate about what we're doing here, building the Africa Tech ecosystem. And I think that's the most critical thing that you expect from an event like this.
And one word to describe African technology.
Rejuvenation.